What is up, my fam bam? Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and today I am doing a really quick, very Christmassy eye tutorial for you guys. If you can't tell, this look is a little bit extra. I even paired this look with some nice little reindeer antlers, and I just love it. I just wish that they fit into the frame. I have to be like all the way back here, and then I'm out of focus. And I know this whole eye look put together is a little bit extra, but you know what? So am I. Christmas is a time for being extra and unapologetic, so if you feel like doing it, go ahead and do that. So who is ready to get some Christmas glam on? We got lots of parties probably to go to, work parties, family parties, get-togethers, hanging out on the couch. The truth is, I may be doing this look right now for Christmas, but I'm gonna be sitting on the couch with no makeup on because I'll wake up early and do the things, and maybe I'll throw a little bit of makeup on for later. We'll see. It just depends how I feel that day. But for now, we're gonna get ultra glam, and I understand this eye look all complete isn't for everybody. It's very extra, it's very in your face, and that's fun. I have fun playing with it, but you can always do both red, you can do both green, or you can do none of it, and you can just sit down and hang out with me while I create this eye look. So if that all sounds good and dandy to you, then you know what to do. Sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. As always, to start off, I'm going to go in with the Frankie Rose I Promise Eye Primer to prime my eyes, but any nice like concealer type of primer will do, or a regular primer if that works for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my base with a nice neutral bone type of shade, whatever matches your skin tone. Okay, next let's bust out that Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you have this palette, this is all the shades that you need. If you need something else, you're just going to need a nice red shade mostly, and then a green shade, one for each eye. So I'm going to be working on one eye at a time for now until I get to the sides that they need one. So I'm going to start with the red side. Pick whichever side you like, but unless you want it to be both sides, then you can do it all at the same time, you know. It just depends if you want to be extra like that, like me. And I'm going to tap it into the crease and then start buffing it out and blending it out. Now I'm going to go in with a little pencil brush and just deepen up the outer edges with that same exact red shade. And I'm going to take it just a little bit into the inner corner as well. And then the lower lash line, same thing, except all over with that same shade. Now I'm going to jump on over to the other side, and I'm going to use the green shade in this palette, and I'm going to do literally the same thing on this eye that I did on this eye. Just make sure to clean off your brush in between, or else it will make the other one really muddy because it'll mix with the red, and that will not be as cute. If you guys didn't know, My Toll Cold, aka Jew Monson, is back on YouTube, and if you're not watching him, you're missing out. That's what I'm watching right now. Cracking up over here. I'm going to use two things for the silver glitter. I'm going to use the ColourPop It's a Princess Thing palette and go in with the Thingamabob shade because it is lit. And then I'm also going to go in with this Stila Glitter and Glow. I use this all the time, I don't know why I forgot. Glitter and Glow Diamond Dust. So I'm going to layer up those, do whatever you think is best, but the Thingamabob puts down a base, and then the Glitter and Glows really beef it up and bring on the bling. Now I'm going to do a little winged liner using the Tarte Amazonian Clay liner in black, just to create that wing. If you want to use a liquid liner, that's cool too. I would just recommend that you do that before placing the Stila glitter down, because sometimes they kind of flake away the flakes and make them really flaky. So FYI. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara and put on some lashes. Today I'm going to use the House of Lashes Iconic Minis because I think it'll flare out and look really pretty. That's why I'm choosing these ones. But whatever you fancy works. All right, that is so pretty, and it's as simple as that. We're gonna just do a little bit of inner corner highlight. You thought I forgot, didn't you? Well, I almost did, so you're half right. So since I already have this out, I'm gonna grab Prince Charming. And that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. And if you are choosing to do your face after your eyes like I did, don't forget to freshen up the lower lash line. I will be right back. All right, my little love bugs, finished off this look and I made my face makeup very, very, very glowy. I paired it with a nude lip. If you want to know the details of what I actually used on the rest of my face and lips, they are always going to be listed down in the description box. Thank you for those suggestions from you subscribers for saying, hey, what else is on your face? We want to know. I will pop them in the description box all the time from here on out. If you happen to stumble across my channel for the very first time and you are just now seeing my little mug right here, you're going to want to go down and hit the little red subscribe button and join our fan band. That way you get notified when I do post, which is usually 3 times a week, and we would love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching, and again, have a Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year, have a happy holiday, whatever it is that you're celebrating. Have a good freaking time. Enjoy your friends, enjoy your family, or just enjoy some alone time, because that's good too. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great freaking awesome wonderful happy Falalala day. It's actually going to be really interesting because I have to run a whole ton of errands today, and it's 4 days before Christmas, so I'm gonna be getting some looks and some like, wait, does she have 2 different? Yeah, she does, because I do what I want.